Alright everybody, I'm going to do a quick video on my plant filtered aquarium. This is a 55 gallon and we've got all of our pumps and everything down here, all of our electrical system, and the whole thing is run by this one pump that pumps up through the center of this PVC device, which I made. And that little tube from the pump goes all the way up to here and it starts spraying out water. So in there you can see the water comes out of this 2-inch thing and then it just trickles all the way down the outside through the plant roots and back down into the tank. So you can see that. I have some Indian blue worms in there, a couple different plants. I really like the mint, it does the best. But I was really low key about setting this thing up, and I put all these fish in there before it was regulated or anything, and we had no losses. So I'm not recommending you do that, but I am saying that that pump, I have some aerators in there too that come, the pump comes down, goes there, one's over there by the Titanic. My son wanted the shipwreck scene. If you get one of these stickers on the back, see these bubbles right here? It's really difficult to get these on correctly, so take your time. But this is it. The key to it is that it's plant filtered, and these are just the 45-degree angle units, and then I just chop them off with a saw, because before they kind of come up like this. So I cut that part off, kind of flatten them out. Now, another thing is, because these are all glued together, this wire that supports everything runs all the way down through the center and is connected to this bottom one. So all the weight is actually on the bottom one. It's not like trying to rip it apart. So that was key, just because you don't want the thing to fail. I have this little towel here in case it drips. It'll flow back into the tank. I haven't had any issues, but you know how it goes when you're creating something yourself. So that's it, plant filtered aquaponics aquarium. It's down low so the kids can enjoy it. And that's what we do, we hang out right here. It's freestanding on these one little legs on each side, and the way that works is the main frame right here is lagged to the wall. So this is lagged to the wall, the weight is on those two things. There's a little shelf in here that includes, there's a shelf in there that houses everything with a main power switch right by the south facing window, and that's it. You like these? All right, thanks fam. Thanks Jack Spirko.